Hi guys, welcome to my video, and today, sorry that I'm a little stinky, and let me go take a bath. But first, I have to show you my tour of my house. No, I don't want to go to work. Okay, so here it is. Here is my beautiful house, and help! Maybe I can just block everyone here. I'm just gonna block her. No. Blocked. Bye, sucker. Get away from my home. Get away from my home. Get away from my home. Like I never called you over here, did I? Goo goo. No one cares about your goo goos or your gagas. Okay. So here is my home. It looks pretty. Well, I couldn't add another window there, and I had an advanced place, and yeah. The whole thing cost $120 million, basically. And yeah. So let's give a tour. So, opening this door, we have the garage, the bikes, electricity, and a car. Looks so pretty. Following here, we're just gonna open the door and close the garage door because no one likes the garage. Okay, so here is my kitchen. It's pink, pink and white. The theme is not pink and white, even though the ceiling is. Right, but who cares? So in these things in here, I got a microwave in that one, and a toaster, and a tea maker or coffee maker. I don't know which one. Okay, I could just delete that because I already have a coffee maker right here. And yeah, by the way, I bought this all with Robux. My sister gave me Robux, and yay. I have this all right here, and yeah, food, garage, and stuff right here. I got the TV stand, basically the living room. You sit here to eat dinner because I couldn't have enough room right here to, yeah, I got a backyard. I'm going to put like a play area right here down here. The light stand because it's just so dark. And going up here, we have the little play area, but I need to just put some light in here. It's just so cute. You need to wash your hands. Change into a kid if you need to. And yeah, that's the playhouse. Well, playhouse here. I just need to like put the thing right here. If you guys would love to subscribe and hit that notification, because now I got Bloxburg on my account. And I make so much Bloxburg videos. If you guys really want to do role plays with me in my videos and be in my videos, put your username down in the description. So let's keep on doing the tour. Okay, going up the stairs, we have the kids' room. Sorry that I'm a little stinky. Maybe I should take a shower right now, like yeah. If you guys want to like be in my videos, subscribe and like and hit that notification. Say I subscribed and liked and hit the notification in the comment below. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry that you hear all these like clicking noises and when I'm typing, like just hear the typing noise and stuff. Yeah, so when I do my roleplay videos, like I'm going to do a voiceover and stuff, like I have to type, but I'm going to be on mute. So yeah, now we're all right. So here is the bathroom, the same sink that's floating, the toilet, the shower. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. For a minute, I thought there was grass in my house, and so I was about to like, I have to fix it. Okay. So I got all this. Yes. It took me a long time just to save up for this. I saved up, but then my sister said, "Here, I found like my thingamajiggy, and then now I'm just like money, so I had to pay her just to get Robux. So yeah. But guys, I really hope you guys subscribe and hit that notification, stuff like that. To do role plays with me and stuff. I'll do role play videos, but like I need people to do it with me. So yeah. So here is the baby's room. Okay, where is that light coming from? Like I turned off barely all the lights. Like bro, give me all these lights. Save electricity. Okay, here is the baby's room. So cute, some toys and stuff. Okay, that's not all. The kids' room, we have some books, a tea, and the little chairs. Yeah. Where did I put the laptop? Put it somewhere. Where did I put it now? I lost it. Oh my gosh, no. Oh, whatever. If you guys want to roleplay my house, please like, subscribe, and hit the notifications, and put down your comment your username and say I subscribed and liked, and put your notifications on. And yeah, I don't post like all the times. I post on Wednesday sometimes and on the weekends sometimes. And yeah, I will be role playing with my friends on their free time. But since it's Wednesdays and we do online school, we have to on Wednesdays we just do independent work time by ourselves. And I finished at 10:07 a.m. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that smash that like button. And I'll see you next time. Bye. In a few seconds, I'll post a Bloxburg roleplay video. So yeah, smash that like button. I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.